Hello students, organizing. Once plans are formulated, the next step is that of organizing. The next step is that of organizing. Organizing is the process of establishing luminous authority, responsibility, relationship among the members of the enterprises. Among the members of the enterprises. According to Fuel, to organize the business is to provide it with everything useful to its functioning, the raw material, tools, capital and personnel. Steps. The process of organizing consists of the following steps. The process of organizing consists of the following steps. Grouping the activities into logical and convenient units. Grouping the activities into logical and convenient units. Delegating authority to these positions and people. Assign the duties and activities to particular positions and peoples. Define and fixing responsibility for performance. Define and fixing responsibility for performance. Features of organizing. It involves division of work. It consists of a series of steps. It is required in all types of enterprises. Organizing is one of the basic function of management. Importance. Organization permits optimum use of human resources by matching work with talent. A harmony organizations enable to the enterprises to adopt the new technology. Sound organizations encourage inventive and creative thinking, leading to development of managerial talents. Organization structure is group activity is the equivalent of social structure. It helps in the communication and teamwork. Communication and teamwork. Okay, students.